Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Notion and making a page called Study Planner. This gets your workspace focused. Next, add a database table. This is where you'll track tasks, times, and subjects. Make properties now, subject, priority, 1-3, due date, and estimated time in minutes. Once done, enter 3-5 sample tasks so you can see how fields behave. This helps you spot missing properties early. Make sure to name your table clearly, because consistent labels speed up filtering and automation later. Once your table has data, build the views you'll use daily. Create today and weekly views with filters that show tasks due within 1 day or 7 days, and a subject view to focus on one course. Apply grouping by subject and sort by due date, then priority so urgent items float to the top. Also add a backlog view for long-term goals without due dates. These views let you switch contexts quickly and make sure you can work from a single source of truth without duplicating tasks. Finish by creating page templates for common workflows, one for a 25-minute focus session with a 5-minute break, another for weekly review. Templates save setup time. Then add recurring tasks for subjects you study every week and use reminders for key deadlines. If something goes wrong, check filters first. An active filter often hides items, then confirm property types match what your views expect. Finally, test 1 full week of entries to ensure automation and views behave as intended before relying on the planner.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.